Good morning. For downloading the Tableau desktop, you have to go to the website. Just write Tableau download in Google. Then you will find this URL, that is tableau.com products and download. If you click this, then it will ask you some basic information, your email ID, country, your organization, this, that. You select other organization, and maybe you can select some job role over there, okay, as a student or something like that, education. Then this page will open after feeding the information. You can go for download the free trial, and then there are 3 steps, that is download and then install and then register. Now here what I could get is this file, because in my case also the version of Tableau was there, but it was at the time of opening the application, always it was saying that your version is updated. So I have also downloaded it. Now it is Tableau desktop 64-bit, that is the configuration of your machine, and then this file will be there. Now what you have to do is just click this application and go for installation, accepting all terms and this, and then install. So you will get this message, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. And then it will start downloading the application. Okay.